abusiafo ya mamu nyina kwaba we eye mi wo case na ye live Adom TV so ya ba me film lady afiapoko ya nyuma me ma good evening na me ma wakwaba nene me ka wo se ye ba be kan asembia ehuhia pa na asema ye be kan na asema ye ke 20 na me dada me watma ye se de ba metimi aka che no wonim se ye chief justice ye nyina ye maame on na hwe emra adwuma ne se de etie so Nyankopon hia nda chief justice so fa ekufu ba ye na maame ye se ontena ne to so won kran obaso hwe court awudo ni nyina ni nuanu mada judge CJ se ba na omuso ye bi ba we de oya no ofifi mu akom magistrate level anke binum ba bia omo ne nam high court ne circuit court ne ade eno ndo so be ko ayi magistrate court na ho na bodwa fo ye nyina nya case ye de ko na ho no be ko oko hon ma boy se asem kuraba na judge wodi esi ni chamber esa se ba bi obedun so kura eye case na se judge dun so kura ba ma wa wudu case ko ye no who be you be nobody. We yan ton no kra wa yiram. You are nobody. Inti na sama ya kan se mene wo. Na ne Kufu Adom so yedin so. Mahama so yedin so. Ibrahim so yedin so. Kufu so yedin so. Ofoyata so yedin so. Inti mene wo yenya case ya. You useless people. Hefa na ye be kwa kope justice. Court dan no ankasa wo ko ye be yi bi video a kire wo. Wudu wona hwe nkrata akru se de court ne hone ne ye bia. Ete wo court what to say we unya justice. Inti ani obi ye wade na hu no a so obebo na so na ye yi a the Moses abreso say eye for an eye tooth for tooth obi si wo sumu a so hamasa wo himu nsase ya na so wan na de aboni bi 1 draw okofa ire a wo se yemfa na yire mra 1 draw so buato papa na so aye ni de ni bi emu sadin na so afili na ye nyina ya dia tum say the democracy na be ye adwuma na lawyer for obi bi a chem say separation of power say arms of government ye wo court for adwuma ye wo parliament adwuma ye wo omanpani ne ministers adwuma ne on central for adwuma ye ya kla ni nyina ye den na de ye na sede so hwe se baabi ye kodi asem no ye say the law is no respecter of persons na lawyer for soya me ye de ya je o matumu so o mo ye lawyer for ana judges ya ye see you will administer justice without fear or favor unfe hu na unfe pe ai bro so nkoye wo ye ne ti se de wani efra no kwa kuba wo ye ne sa ama ba sa ya ba sa tie ye den ene de judge wono akwakotena ni dwom na ye say the law is in the bosom of the judge na se judge pe baby akodun so no wonya na se law no a hye ne yem na yi aka no yi aka no pese meka word bi o radio so aka no ene ye wo case aden na obi di case kokoto a enche cause me ye judge oba na se be mabubu nsa bosome no a yi me kodun so se be kra ba mu no me ma court kra Mema court na case delay and delay. Obra no apo baby atna. Ya strike case ni out for want of prosecution. Say criminal case ya. Civil case so konkon an no awu. Ene me de lawyer for ma ben na ya ba ene ye kan asem no. Say de ba be hu say de ensem no tie. Lawyer Frank Japan. Lawyer ni awa ben. A che se wo mu nyina court bi court ya. Ye be yi bi video a che mo lawyer say mo tie mo say ye nim court no. Twi a we de kofo de akomiti court bi o won kwan chen. Ye nto blog mfa ba bia judge tidwoma na kontomre wa na pocket for na mo pepe yogo yeah fine nice wura de CJ is this justice? Can a judge be fair minded in a circumstance like this? Better na case ye dia ma no kwatem so to ko ya judge wa bre na wa ma ye case pa ye wo case ana anyume ya baka ho asem wo me wo case ana but you share live on Facebook Adom TV so into betimi e de wo adwenche na wo questions about so wa kokoto am ya ye obi a me amre bia na me court reporter tema court TDC court abrantie bi hu ni say ya say any court danti ono a hye ne condom free ni fie no de ba court dem ho nti ye nyina gina bonte wonom nkofo mo gina bo say ode ne to atwi obi na opia ye hu ya na abrantie petre wa so beje fere no na so ma mo court papa e condition wo mu a anka judge benya adwini mu eda ho mo e ni case enso ye tia ye justice. Where lies the justice? Enti me de lawyer Frank Japan akirem tanso na lawyer Broni bedi akom enso e wo hanum se a wono so nim se o ye regular wo mienu nyina mo ta aba ye de o ma se pa se o munya aboten ka nwumre lawyer for ya wadan ko mo ko chiri atwetwa bottles ni mi so mo se da bi ye be boa me akamra se de be sesa de ye koso ni sanso obi ase fata so benya tete nwumre ma me ma akwaba se boko de nyame ndo lawyer na Japan ye hu wa ache nso ko she Dubai ana aso wo bi no ama na bia ko che Dubai no ga bi
o pesca be
wa chere sa
o Ghana
wa ko Dubai o pesca
obi ape
mo ka de bi ape You law school fees and you better, sir. So, what's your boss? Be lawyer pay a year by flow. Where they buy flow. Say how much flow be?
Yeah,
But when you be aqua, yeah, so I saw flow. So they said they open patch swag it down. Okay, they guess about how more class I can.
So,
Mr. Lawyer, I think you put your case with the man. To the fun boy.
Oh, damn it.
It's social media back there when you're but when I'm busy a video, but yeah, Costona, me did say, baby, our background mapping for a man for more. Baby, I judge it here. But over situation, I see the copies work as one. Mumubia encounter be an lawyer, Japan won't be so.
Say, first match here, T4 with a T4 match, you know. Say Ejumaya yeah ko up and down.
E dey pacho abusia won betimi ahwe TV no so mbo say ye videos ni be fa court dan ne anope Adom FM ye reporters ko krom wo mu ko hu ise de tie na wa busa ho say unya asem na kwotena dan we mu a judge be di ama wana ana won ka asem na wo kan judge be nya adwin mu eda ho amwadi e di ama wana nti lo pacho won ko so mam
say Ejumaya ye de baby as case in bewono ebekono ehona obekọ akodi nti ekwan de etu kwan no bebre na court no so yekọ bebre de CJ ekohu ya wabohu no yehu no de bia ba nsem no bi wo ha I say nipa na ehihye no ote ho nti wo a wo kwa akokan ebia na wetia ne na so ba omo ade omano aba be kan de enso ebegia ho akwan ne yeso yakab yehu bebre bebi wo ho obekọ no na sabe yaka court anka yaka se court dan ni a uhu court dan na utimi hu se utimi bibi sunsun wo building
to so bi ba mu se ade be di masema mame
baby or near room, room crown, and aha, and it being so magistrate, especially on new now. Minya shows some more damn much say in a near my be break home, and your infrastructure and qua. It be hard computers on the age, Macra. Most is Mokoy, most of the district magistrate. Within the courts no obekona computer ibi ensiwo nti obekona wasema obekwa akokana say bia one day na odebeka na ne 2 months na the adjournment kakran so awo na ne ya ne 5 months na ebia lawyer amba na eno so stretch 6 months nti asema e dey one day beka no na the 1 year na dey e kanti system no dey enye mati say CJ e ka say bi wo ho e be close ba and Sunny Equanidia, I met me, I can say about 90% Beko.
90% of the magistrate courts in Beklusi. And I travel circuit court from near Dina.
Magistrate court, circuit court, Yenina, anywhere a human. Say, judge, and ye happier, a affected lawyer, a affected the ordinary sem, a coin. To say, Mokoye, Mua Musumo the money, a day, a nti
ahmete ade de ahmete ba lo broni be dia koso wan bi de say de Frank ehu
yehu bi
which court exactly court where ya ba yatiko fo de na ye ko yeji I say almost na make tema cry de shama tema
court ni de de say bi betim de say sisu say court way but court na omo ni mo ho kakra beti aka court no na eduba bi mpa se waka no enye just the issue about washrooms in this animal eduba bi kra na ventilation a problem
fa ho
akọ district court bi a say ma say me madwene pen kra say meko ama my career judge na makwa me afa ma say magistrate na go through na one day my rise here me hu ya na me say madwene
sir
because environment no encourage me say because they say Ghana man when you lawyer near untimi mbaye judge enti me na me ko ho no na me hwe enima bi so ye wo na hwe obi so na aka some journalist because obi bibi your offer enti miss my lawyer ya me pa meet me judge no me lemu na me dia ba judge no say me hwe ni me bi e be encourage me na baby amesha se free no holding enti it's encouraging enough ya de bia said yes CJ nyina panyin ko hu ye no enso ani na ye ni die o mu nyina ne say ono akohu bi no age atum se enso ani na ye be hwe ne aye ni mayi
but o kan sem bi say this assemblies no omo na ye o ma said yes o mo twese court no baby ajaje betna enne ne tebia mu nyina na eye kama nyesa obe close court no ena oni abema lo Japan ka say ba ne sa dia enne na nkofo ho be chiro because 90% of magistrate court and circuit court say ombeko ventilation ya ko tema circuit court baby a tema transport yard STC for court to circuit court bi shewo on sani fa fa ba bi afa na unre ma dunso abia pamfa so no ubo say yes uba court be yes community center ube hia dunso ba yentwi ahomra na emusa say CJ ka so be close down the course no enu na ye solution ana na fa yentwe so de wasem akokot ye kire odi enti ache o unim say besi ne judge si nyina atro long hand e was akot automatic na CJ no maka no enye bi mo circuit court ne magistrate court ye ba ne aba be kasa asem me o case ana nie abusia for some makwa babio na me ka o say me wo case ana we dey wo case ana ene wo case ye di asem wo court room baby ajaje badun so ni ho wa wo di case ko ye kra de ji so ko bush na imagine so oba besie bi a wonyim or the divorce case na aba court ana bi kra assault ana bi kra simple case bi misdemeanor bi enye case bi ehun bia na junso aka no court dem obedi asem obi kra won mo baby won mo nye so wonyim ne ho asai obeso osiesie no he no beko judge eni computer betimi document cases nti shorthand nti baba ya say court nkrata ayira file yi ehu this is the problem and also district assembly sana nti yanto asem no so studio lawyer Japan eni lawyer broni bedi akon omienu eni ene omo dwodwon a omu nyina akasa de problem o se eka say yakopon insha CJ Sofa Kufu ono anada ma ena wakopie so a ono adi enim threatening assemblies no na lawyer Japan na busa assemblies this assemblies na said the CJ can say your no ma said say also mo say court baby e be di asem no ho kama
the magistrate court no on say it goes with the title district magistrate court okay inti enye hanamne CJ eba sem assembly ni na de be ma e be chere say ha ni room mo be operating whatever be the place no yaja tum say magistrate court but at the end of the day no yama a building we see yentna mu no e say yen ya ye di atna mu no ye hwe say we ebetimi ama ya ye adwuma na ye pese ye no wo because o hwe embra ni mu a judiciary no omat I say omati omo ho a omo di omo ho so enti bibia omo ye bia na se omutimi nya atumi a omo de be den omo de be ye enti room ne wo ho na se let's say baby omo ye junso restroom enye appropriate for the people omo ba ho and say something must come from the judiciary itself to
Emrana work Ghana hano does the law say that say judiciary in a share restroom and your restroom for me for a secondary issue many court to dine nankasa wutimu no and konya judges in baby mo na mo lawyers ko fa mo sisi nye
me can say Cape Coast Court one time me call na if I may be wrong that the bar association had some time ago omo organize eto nkonya esi courtroom ho
na your bar association said it's on beto go court
debi na mekan se okọ ye de hammer na se ho enye mawa o ese o ye hu bibi enema bebre at least say assembly ne a hammer one. May expect to say within the judiciary, the person in charge of these administrative duties and to supply these financial
why are you in charge? It's just the judicial secretary and I say judicial workers and I say CJ and AG and why are you in charge?
Judiciary ni na CJ and I so but CJ no Nejuma na oye no nipa bebre na se a omo bibi obi to say judicial secretary and say or making sure say anyama be but at the end of the day no whoever that CJ are delegated to say sika ni ho say the better way ya say yeto no ono na me to me no ebeba be si so okay and I say if within the ranks no say here bibi or this court obi or her sorry aban afa no say onye or say aban there inti na oti ho train say aban I don't know how to say it say my advice especially the junior the magistrate omomo say bibi ni a mo fato pen so
now we say la boni be dey ko kai say say me na nsen ya me kai be na wotwe ni magistrate for ni be threaten say wunya adwuma ayo market ya won sensem and this is the first time I who say o my bold enough to threaten and so previous one na yesika say mo na I say judge judicial no ho asem de ye ni ye preachy atenten but obi antumi nkasa why is that the case the anema we nyina akoso say si jankopie we so okaso a enka we kra emfa we nyina member say de hye woni analo awo ho no what is so mo complaining visa da what is that
e won now phone
but oma ba bontia be complain officially say
no me who be
who be that so my ba bontia be say this is a problem because judicial workers union chairman so omo koka na emre 3 years ago omo assessment nationwide course na teacher ni magistrate court omo koka so omo ye two no.
Okay, so my main comment or question on the campus about whether or not
assemblies na your omoduma
no. And no here me power because a boy the way forward. Whether we can find solutions to these things. We have structure now. Indeed, as district assemblies, a part of the governance system. We have the central government and we have the local government. And so okambo man ni na executive ya. Now a government as executive as a so provide the infrastructure for the judiciary.
Okay.
A bind asset there. Enti satama na kokwa first court where na city. Untimi nkoka se CJ ni nkosi dan. A government na said here.
Okay.
The same way when you go to the district a district assemblies chief executive represent central government one na said yen say obehwe ni see infrastructure CJ complaint was not about say bia district magistrate ni pen on the betre and only paper betre so
but no kra ho bia na no ka ne anka
but the aba no and you won crow
but it's also true and it's a fact say okoko tin bebra pen no kra ni ho paper no just work to file see what some of the magistrate
but now no if you are critical matter no say the CJ copy so they say baby washroom cry na magistrate me use no
be no you say onko KVI
anything or threatening say woman take steps so mu take here because you mu na so mu provide administrative expenses no na CJ behwe say it should come for the consolidated fund na mum na administrative and to behwe say bibia will go through but the can pa ye ade say district chief executive no hwe say be ye na dru ba bia obekọ no na down there no a lot of can I say whether personality clashes or say be a magistrate are making certain demands to suit his or her office. Not political headship no on which I say no, yeah they say no. For instance,
is that the case?
Good. For instance, Jeja odi amanfo asema obinyano obinyano obehwena so na say ha na court na say me di asem na bi say me call washroom say me call use washroom omo so etiquette no your friend one of the omo nyina betwe use na public nko use bi na enye din say judge ni be call ha na in the end the vacancy or the mumpe baby mamma and ya she mumpe chamber pot be my day me use this the end we are then your friend say junior officer bia
but never say enye ne kwanso a
enye ne kwanso name district chief executive no me headship for the local government omni eso mo hwe so mo be provide conducive enye just the structure it should be conducive for the work
but then unim say na say me court be a judge no magistrate court o ka che lawyers be say ono in all with all the discretion so so mo your contribution come to akonya papa man na chikra ye ne ya apart from washroom na say ma ye nyina ka so okay assembly so kan because the reality of the matter is say your story ya baga kubore the entire district omu ni kania such a district ka so na say dia ono oni bi nti dey na ode be ma o oni bi
I believe say the central government still pay much attention to the judiciary. There were 3 arms of government. Parliament me nkotna ho, but de bia mehwe bi wo TV so no. Parliamentarian sorry no kasa free from A to Z.
Omukomo China nkonwa kra o kai.
But the court, district court, now okasa kakra na judge say
hold on.
Jaho metro. Adentina parliament. Eye
that
na ye court yes Jaho na mentro.
Meanwhile, everything in parliament is electronic. Hazard no crown ye document nkofo ho mu ye ne print ade beche na enra proceedings e wo hazard mu.
Oh. Oko your friend say presidency we be a shepe but judiciary nkwa die na yet one year
say me no na ye benya case e be ko ho no won say political cases na ko supreme court also do na wotwe me nu edi na omko me no me nu dey 20 years 30 years ye go so twe
so say okay proceedings for you to even get proceedings I just say nipa no ko judge atro now or type in one ebi wo house me hu na say osan ko judge all these are problems that we need to take critical look at. Okay, there should be some sort of policy now. I bet me I can say in the next let's say year
CJB or baby virtually you're a very powerful person ewo abemu nti ayede na CJ to me ma order we say senka CJ atwa letter come president say look you're a very critical arm of government. This is the emako hu work as well. In the next few days I expect that this should change on to me sir
to me baby and our influence baby say anka enye nansi no call anko betimi atna ho 10 years 20 years without knowing because nejuma na nye up and down nko it said your bet na say actual judgment ba ko obetro time be taking no asem
I see
wo nti we na ode na nani akohu ene we hu de e koso ewo grounds ene man de
ahomete rabro ni be dey akomegusa about moye long hand no in this day and age and the WhatsApp ni Facebook ni social media tene ba bia ya ene o tro letter ugina ha metimi ni obi akasa wa America video ene ade ene ya da ho ye long hand why is that the case wako pie bi so court na baba meka ebusia for so we ma Benis estate omde asase amanso ni ho kra na de asase simple omadama na omo ebo ame de me okesa na bro nto omo asase ewa blekuma prampram ohyiye kasoa nsa omne ade so kwan so nyina we so de nwa na no yekokofodie yeduru wa na yewie ya na ewi yeduru kofodie akra da chese kwan kra ye short aye simple ti na de krasi ni ba bia tenankran ha emphasical retali anto we gya kese ne ntoma kese nya ha na akwa mehwepo wote ase CJ kwa ye wade hwese court be kama na so to no mo ye girl kofa boys ya kese wo de ntoma na yi na gina Facebook ni WhatsApp na yese asase ne ye ton no fisika kokoto asase ni bi na ma ware a won be kwa ware kwa na okuta na asase na be ma be two foundation wo so entra nka se me twa be ma na be ma na meto no madi na won sa na etwetwe na etwa okwa na motive social media na ode ne to kire na moto nkwa na yakopon bo ode ma unity uni adwene dem ya na mbofu krasa unity eni adwene ya to asate nti ma Benis my word wo nyina mokonkoje number say 0204590190 no akwaji bi na so wo de aye isa nya memma kwa na ebeja pressure na mo memma aba 30 something no mawu cause one ja how ni nyina de egu memma say one na meto on pam ade memma no mu ni abusuafo ho mi ni abe ma na ye msa wo betu piga o so ko to asas ni bi na fabra wa ye na say na techi bites e ne boys na china Friday we ya yi o wedi oni ade na de boss sa draw wom tie show dem pa lo abro ni bedi akona mbusa say and this day and age ya ye tro o kopie bi so omo la tro omo de pen na tro loka my lord Anaa Saturday say lo abro ni bedi akoba me dem say twen hold on oba me dem say eno oba me dem no oba okokoko oba okokoko eno oba eno road ross na road ross how internet say the law Japan ka say me bedi na nsa no na edi mfie num. Is this justice?
It is justice. It is still justice. And say en komono eye bi
na ka ya go bro fi am go say the wheels of justice grind slowly saying
we nim put enye no and say ye what developing country and you develop societies and our countries enti yes am no come na a mixture of anima bebre because say I can say court down fair face you okra ko a friend new court complex brother still high quiet right oh yes new court nyina automated
new court complex no
yes
I don't say a long hand
the judge will be writing
I'm disappointed
don't be don't be so the reality is that and yet that bad assuming say even if it's automated computer system can go bad so if you are writing okay
Abuja boy asam makwa babio ye wo live me wo case na Adom TV ya from vim lady efia pokua na me ni lawyer e Japan e na lawyer broni bedi akone ete aye ni abre ye ho se me no mienu enya case a na Adom meka bi ma o meka bi me obi enu obeka bi amai nti judge no aye kwa na anim no ono no onyame se ekom de judge no kura na ba bi o da kura no ya matna akonwa bone so ma ni sisi ye ne ya wanwe ye ochena no akwakodu case na chia no just say bia wonyi sika sand na neck court before crowd benya filing fee say so ya tum na no mo ha na me ka chem say Ghana Bar Association crowd regulated fees o mo dia ba abonti divorce uko ja ware ya kwa just okuta 15,000 Ghana cedis 150 million president ku for Ghana cedis 150 million na ko fa le hey ntu ti aware bon ni e kun ni e sibamo ni e bro not this is not fair. It's not fair. Judge it one more the pen the boy is going. Let's see, hold on. The boy going to us off. Aden case ye bedi nansa. Ube wager case. Maybe Papa is a living example. What would Johnny case? Oh, didn't get justice. What kind is our case? Ataba 4 versus TDC. More than 20 years that case was in court. Why? Aden na yet Ghana ha. Yes, in a judicial rule of law. Where is the rule of law? When the law, even in the courtroom, there's no rule of law. What can I say after? Inti ero aboni bedi akuna o make point bi to asa point so mama asana aba to say what is the way forward.
Now you address the issues why some judges are still writing. Other than judges still be more try you use computer anyway. Now make us say the first point I say G2 say you're a developing nation. Just say your Maya Afina. Yes, that is one.
Lawyer. One of which we say the conformity the Article 71 office holders.
Yes.
Developing country they become.
Become.
Oh, lawyer. We at what town in Article 71 for 4 years Parliament for bet na konya so fie na okwa. Your man is gasha boom. Lawyers your mama is gasha.
Hey, it's so fine.
One dem we here journalist your mama be doctor for mama is gasha. Civil servant your mama be is gasha. 4 years mo agi boom no dey call. Another 4 years so Sanko Parliament a boom obeji, wodi minister obeji, wodi ja ade.
If you had museo.
Article 71 obi anya obi a o.
I say the address no one hana ya digest.
No.
Me too say a bit tough. It's a bit challenging. Wo share sa ni mani nyina na. But reality no na make no. Into the best make can say yenye nu hoye na emom the opposite ka say me be moduro but generally yenye nu hoye a big gradual and I may say can say and yet totally bad yes and yet cross judge in a trade. In fact, even if say you're automated, meaning okay na computer capture a yempo say be much na e baka because the system can feel. Enti enu nye adea e sheda ha adwini bebre. Okay. Only say me we right say betimi a delay attempting a process no and say na be a dependent judgment. But as I said, the crux of the matter is say CJ ya aware say problem kitten ho. But say me no ye nyina individual in your problems be esosin bi. The esosin bi CJ hu ya say a choking no what can say what me professional me yiri so be represent mo hana oni asem mam na mo hu ntomo no te bia mo de ni family enso ani enti enu ne ade a e ha adwen say the basics as the all can me fan say any luxury basics impo e challenge e be dey busa luxury enti me dey
e normal say Japan office okay
me dey minim say Oshe governance in Ghana. I say in your form yensa omko school. De biane ato school bag ni ama mienu. Na judiciary there. Ye jan ho.
Offer nice from go school.
MPs etimi judge loan, car loan. Ne approve. But enyeman kitten na be boa ama se wo enemy yenya asema ye betimi akogina court I can within 1 month 2 months ebe boa ama nation akọ yeni imagine say obide oka o person okoje keke 2 years now kobo be say afufuro bi wo baby asan ka watimi and no slow down development. I think the other arms of government should start
pushing
helping because sikana ye gigi free judiciary hono ebe kwa kura consolidated fund and sana you say every is it 4 months or something
every quarter
and sana ye bubu ni to say thought ababa na said ebe ba no kura ye nim say ebe so say enso enti ye hwe ni start enye say court bia benya any judge bia so be very comfortable and come the minimum say judge epe bibia se pen or before so obeka pi no kra na eda ne nsem na adwuma na etimi akoso na eno na beboa yen you say justice emanates from the people sure ye na free emu a ye de esi ho se ebeboa yen amaya ya brabo ayeden akọ smooth amay but said me who say cause ye corner this way for the next 5 years the next 6 years Ghana ye be koso agina ho cases be even Supreme Court kwana agina ho ache
everybody be there could only be make all the two political cases here back Ghana no so na we see na election petition say big case a check on the to say they make a papa case for 20 years to Ukraine na how does it affect justice nankasa the process of justice say do case amount tina nen obi nya asem a be ma bi show oba bi ase me de ne kwanto a akona di anam de ne ko yi ho ahwan no akokunu because what the back court pa before cry benya taku ana tina lawyer ke o sika kra obi kra na obi so otwen wo gye di akotua enso twintwan. How does it affect our process instead?
It's a fact. Brunia can say to us, justice delayed is justice denied. Ain't a fact to say, as something in India, a chow not playing more bra, you be who do di for now. A yarn not and so any, Emma, a bit me on my nipanocra give up so, make cry court cramming maybe. Ain't justice delayed is justice denied. But you see, the challenge is this. We yent mean Pejay and Sam Kubim so the idea they are power. Into the idea bit me the CJ to keep on talking, to keep on complaining, and to ensure sir the proper things are done. Into and only me target say yes, at the end bit me the be ne say ye be kasa ho said ye kan ah de ya no back the ye nyina panyin chief justice akan say ye make sure say the proper things are done assembly can a district assemblies no DC for no mo district assemblies no omo hwe say omo the interest interest of encrophone constituency no e ya attack dia na ni asantene ne so ehia enti so wa make provision na magistrate no enya be papa na enya be papa antena anyira adwuma se de na akan a manya akonwa papa nsiso a ene ese ne as a me cry my frustrated na me try me judgment enti o ma said dear say omo be make sa provision no ama obi a sa district o nyina oni ne di asem ema enipa law and development emra eboa mankoso in the law no amanfo nim say law no law no the essence of law no say bring development so okay what they make 20,000 ono contract bi no asan o dey kwaya adwuma so when ya sentence ya man nsa nka 20,000 na nsa kan the next 2 years scan better
na contract so aka
it's affecting the development DC for nyantia say you must say there CJ kan no now we make a provision.
But when they check it, you only have malo Japan, the two other arms of government are buying call for any friends of parliament. Uncle Munye Bibi said, I know my example, so call parliament here. Now say, no, Maconia, Ukraine, share Daniel, Musi, or Mutise, Kotre, crack China, Konya, brand new China. Yeah, they are big woman. Who do parliament? Only idea be so call be, nothing, one Mukasa. And one disenfranchisement, bro, for Mokana, but for one in that, Omokagu macrophone, Judge Nibi. Macrophone, Omoka, one more for ya, baby, I said, one tea.
Yeah.
Parliament, one more baby and tea, baby and one yanni, a day.
Into a
parliament, what is a parliament? Obia can't be a judicial. Meanwhile, yeah, Nana do cry, or man penny or two of my Yakunya Cassis, one man penny, more in higher sum, or man penny or lawyer. At a mills, no one crack lawyer for ye. President Kufo, or your lawyer, until we are not, they cannot say the winning. If we under somebody like Nana do is a lawyer, parliament it will do a damn no speaker. So also a lawyer. Professor Michael Professor Michael a lawyer, me boy.
Independent
lawyer. And that parliament na kase on lawyers and former AG Jogati or parliament or
baby
lawyers Jamagana parliament or lawyers na do so me boy. So do you support that cause say form in this campaign?
I know you na the American say form hunyim ni nyina akwende say yem practicalizing it say the same place CJ Koye na ohun say judge Eyisu chamber port no opa akwohwe DC no the office eno na ye preach no enti DC in office na why na comfortable no ne washroom so otwe no wa no awura no that is what we are asking for. This is the minimum. CJ Busa say that comfort na district chief executive the man ho no I don't want him from my judge. In any case they are of the same what level because they are all representing the district. Or your head in terms of the executive, the district magistrate is the head in terms of the judiciary.
CJ or district.
Thank you. That is a clear understanding. Into the minimum they can do this say who DC office is conducive. Now washroom only public in charge. I don't know catch judge one public washroom. And that is why CJ ebufu so akase se wa anya nti hono na mazo na akase ade no mpuli mazo no se wa anya megimidehye every district wo then the enkofo no mokromo nipa no mokromo no will revolt against you say judge no kromo nti UDC no yempam because won hwe you aduma and that is the movement e betimi amanya the say nti I think say the CJ no na kwaso no
the Japan no be bia person this also
yeah make us say I think say this matter eba up minti say obi ka say egbidi hye mahama no bi so de hye nanado
eno mom dia minti
eno na eye yen eba these matters me pacho NDC MPPC PPP for no na yen kan said yet ade na nya ni aka say enye ye citizens no ya ahwe ha che eniema bebre wenum anke say the people within the district no start here then eka and so be as I say emfa me ho me dey we dey say aban ono na also ye judge na dey na besi ho ni case but as say ye citizen so the president kan and say ye hwe
ye bu ye ni guso
ye see ye bibi ye at least can mensuro o kan ye say your freedom of speech o kan say mo Ghana ye nku de eno nko a de metimi a chose wo de wa no kan asem a ye nku
yes wo de wa no do mi bi wo ai but ye be hwa de ba ko bi say one of the videos say ye na o court dem mo che say court docket no egugu ho saa ti imagine say me no wanya case ya wo do ho ato so ye make ya brochefo bi won ma waba o pa aware nkrata kra mo de akoye ne nkrata wa broche na o paper at the court dem rough a tabenda e na obenya ya do oba bi akotum oba bi a oba wudi ni bakro oba be ma bi enisi ke yedi ni kotum yedi na kwa kotum. How can you get justice when court you ade judge mo throw long hand you hear the people go google rough you need in this day and age ni bi area akodroi you need digitize even database for the court. Na Nita for I don't even know what Nita is doing, but yeah, but I have a busa question. Pato Freya, what was the numbers view screen so Freya? Naturally, one court, that one court to be a visa so. Unim court be a may you me okay, Sanani, you're about to see an before course. I was have some Makwa, baby, still your Adom TV so, and then they will case. Court of all case, judiciary will case, Minu will case. Say ye shebre be sesa court dem obekwa akodem wonsa wo ma court dem ana anim Ghana politics so wo munyina akɔwi a na say abuga pele mu die koda na woni mo kra no mo da VIP session forget it di echira obekwa akɔye yi sister ba ko ya asamo na oka 7 me de message send wo Facebook na no be busu mienu ni me komadina chese police station okra be bia ye bedun sokra bi ni ho tinya court no kwa no mo issue o police station na o mo big issue pa ti enu say ye re ne nka no mo nyina hu said o be just ya drop any wo se vim wo case ya mo dey very good topic said ya no pe unu ni captain smart to won kwa ne sa o dey what am say if you are this your program your case and I just love it yen ordinary people and ye nya hu fa so pa bra shama ebehwe na o say kofi no say if ya we are arguing here with my friends please. Are you a lawyer? I'm not a lawyer. Many lawyers na me job pass bibi. Minye nuro why? Minye nuro. Jay Daniel, I know say if you are great, but thumbs up. Adewe a good discussion am we also here e wasankegwa e wukugwa e kuapem. E odi asempa kwaku feel no say nice show pa fa ben omo a also omo ye omo djuma no omo nye o sunyan e no de bread tadi e na patient vosa was a good job pa we me hwe mo tadi we ye on say Adom TV e kwa chi pa ba bia ye ho nom Edward akwa e no so no so osueduro se yakopon sha Adom FM e na adwuma ye Adom TV mum KD o se me so me hwe mo live o Iran clinic yakopon sha mo ro abroni bedi akwa me fa o final comment na me ba lo Japan ho nom. What is the way forward wade hu?
The way forward ni na on is local government say just as central government must say DNC will be providing infrastructure no DC bia ye use such a district no you will juma so provide this infrastructure no magistrate ye ni say ombe hwe atentene ne nya za de ka no atentene yes was our district no into omunyi sa fact ni ntun no mo ensure say sa comfort now the amomo ho no omoma the same comfort to that magistrate CJ yini say ombeye ejuma ho no ebema asumdua ba then later we can look at the other things bet me ama omaye better and comfortable with their work.
Right, Japan.
The mechanic say institutions must work and yet judiciary kwa obi so oye ejuma na nation ne course no so kuni ho na oye judiciary for no ho tom pa no muntimi nyom adwuma because some anye ni ya oye den ebeka oye den ebeka na mamin chia police phobia
police body ya no
se chebi me chia
court ho
mamin ka ma se
ha ka
ma ti se ba ku bi di tu akobo ma mienu bi na omo da St Joseph ye penidin keke na ye de mako court me chia mo
wa fa ma be se parliament for se mo free ochna ko let us hear your position on this issue because enyagro keke ene ye se mo asembia mo ka bi sa se me no mienu mo de kra de mo article 71 but ye ordinary people no ene ebenye bi nana